Stop scrolling. If you ignore this, you might regret it later, deeply. Not because of fear, but because this is more than a message. This is something personal. God says, your time is shorter than you think. Every second you spend doubting, delaying, or waiting for the right moment, is slipping away. So stay right here. Because in the next few minutes, you'll feel something shift inside you. Something you can't explain, but you'll know it's real. God is calling you right now, interrupting your day to speak directly to your spirit. He's not angry, not disappointed. He's intentional. You're hearing this because he chose this exact moment to awaken something inside you. You've been feeling a weight lately, the kind that doesn't go away even when you smile. The burden you keep hidden, the late-night thoughts that no one knows about. He's seen them all. And right now, he says, it's time. You're not stumbling onto this video by accident. You were led here. Because when heaven wants to shift something on earth, it starts with one awakened soul, one heart ready to listen. That's you. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Right now, God's presence is closer than your next breath. He says, my child, you've carried long enough. I'm lifting it now. Feel that? That's not emotion. That's release. The false stories about you are collapsing. The accusations. The doubts. The labels. Heaven has officially ruled in your favor. When God speaks, everything below him aligns. The conflict is over. The chains are broken. The case, closed. This isn't just about feeling better. It's about becoming who you really are. You were hidden, not forgotten. Preserved, not lost. God kept you safe through every battle, because now, your time has come. What was blocking your way is being moved. What weighed you down is being lifted. The silence of heaven is broken. Now his voice echoes across your spirit, rise. Say this quietly if you're ready. I receive this word. I agree with heaven. I turn toward my purpose. Those words aren't ordinary, they mark a new beginning. In the unseen realm, something massive just changed. Every lie, every accusation, every moment of shame, overturned. Not because you earned it, but because God said so. You don't have to chase approval. You already have favor. You don't have to beg to be healed. It's already unfolding. Hear this clearly. The darkness doesn't win when the light speaks. Every word you speak in alignment with God's truth resets the atmosphere around you. When fear whispers, respond with faith. When pain returns, reply with praise. When doubt knocks, remind yourself, heaven already decided my case. And the divine verdict? You are mine. You are free. You are appointed. Chosen one, your time for the divine turnaround is now. The long nights, over. The silence, broken. The waiting, ends today. God says, I'm changing how you see yourself. That broken version of you. Gone. The painful parts. Purified. The lessons. All kept intact. You're stepping into freedom. After years of refining fire, you're ready to soar, not just survive. Imagine a bird learning to fly after breaking out of its shell. That's your soul right now. The cracks weren't punishment, they were preparation. You don't have to rush this change. Some breakthroughs come sudden, like a flash of divine intervention. Others rise slow, like sunrise, gentle and unstoppable. Both are miracles. Trust the process. This isn't just about you. It's about everyone who will see your story and believe again. Your endurance will rekindle someone else's faith. Your healing will remind another that God still moves. The struggles you faced weren't wasted. They built an unshakable strength, a heavenly weight of glory inside you. You'll shine not because life got easier, but because your character did. God says your life is becoming proof, a walking miracle of His grace. Not perfection, but transformation. Not comfort, but calling. Stay close. Keep your heart open. Because the changes happening in you now will echo through eternity. He reminds you. My plans for you cannot be stopped. My love for you will not fade. And even when the world shakes, you stand in my favor. Before this ends, take your hand, place it over your heart. Now say, I feel God's love. I agree with His plan. I trust His timing. I believe His word. I am His beloved child, and I have made it. Feel the peace settling in. That warmth isn't just emotion, it's confirmation. Your story isn't ending. It's just beginning. Every breath from this moment forward carries divine purpose. Every step, guided. Every day, favored. If this message stirred your spirit, don't scroll away. Subscribe right now and share this word with someone God might be calling next. Before you leave, drop a comment below. What part of this message spoke to you the most? Share your story, your prayers, or just type Amen if you agree. Your words could encourage someone else who's searching. Because people who hear will awaken, and the world will change through one faithful heart at a time. You are seen. You are chosen. And you are ready.